It's official. It's official. We're gonna go for a little walk real quick. Cause it ain't no shade, ain't no sun in my car, so we're gonna go for a little walk, quick talk, you feel me? Get my bag ready. Cause I feel good today. I don't know what this is. This is a document that states that I'm no longer an intern at YouTube. I'm now fully employed for YouTube. I'm fully employed. I'm no longer an intern, man. No longer an intern. I'm about to scream. Look. It's a blessing, bro. A real life blessing. Now, I ain't posting 2 days. I see why people. I ain't posting 2 days, but don't get on my ass for it. I've been waiting to do this video, you feel me? This is the PIN number for when you get monetized. It sends out after like 3 weeks of you being after 3 weeks of you reaching your watch hours and watch time. Yeah, man. This John. This mean we about to move out the hood. This is my hood right here. We gonna take a walk around my hood. Walk and talk. Let me put my hood on. It's kind of nippy out there. You know you about to start getting some money when you say it's getting nippy. I'm already using different words. But yeah, man. YouTube, bro. I ain't gonna lie. These last few days or weeks, it's been hard to keep the views up. Like, it's like every day I upload and the views just dropping. Like, that joint is weird. Like, this algorithm guy get it together, man. They just keep dropping and dropping. I ain't even upload today. I'm like, man, it is what it is, though. We got this, though, man. We got this. That's all I'm worried about. Let me take a thumbnail. Hold up. There we go. There we go. But yeah, man. So this the PIN number. Like, I go in there and up. I got put the PIN number in to verify everything. So that's like the last step to being monetized. So far, if y'all watched my last video, I made about $27 in 2 weeks of being monetized. Yeah, $27. It's at $29 right now. But yeah, man, I need this. I'm depending on YouTube full time right now because I had a lot of shit going on. So I gotta hustle out my car like I've been doing to make my money. Gotta hustle out my car and do YouTube and stay focused. Cause life's starting to life right now. It's like all this good stuff happening. Like getting monetized, all the good stuff happening. But at the same time, it's people trying to drag me back. Like, put me in situations where I can't work how I want to work. You feel me? Like, the devil working for real. He working. Like, but it's all trials, you feel me? Like, it's all a test of my faith. Like, God don't want me to be comfortable right now, because comfortable mean you ain't doing what He wants you to do. He want me at a certain level, you feel me? And being comfortable ain't gonna get me to that level, so I understand. I gotta get out my comfort zone. The enemy been attacking me, but I'm still going, man. I'm still going. Like, the crazy thing is, after all this stuff that's happened to me, my peace, the peace of God is still in me. Like, I can't really take that peace away, and that's a good thing. Like, it don't matter what you're going through. If you got the peace of God in you, then you're always peaceful. Like, stuff going around, crazy stuff going around with me right now. That's situations I'm in is crazy right now, but I'm still peaceful. Like, talking to me, you would never know unless I told you. But yeah. Get yourself on YouTube, man. Get on YouTube, start uploading. And you know what's crazy? I feel like everybody got a story to tell. Like, if you just imagine if you documented your life from probably, let's say, 10 years ago to all the way till now, that would be like a whole movie. You feel me? So I think people should get on YouTube right now to document their journey. You feel me? Document their whole journey. It's like a TV show. If you document your life for 10 years, it's gonna be like a TV show. It's gonna be interesting. You feel me? So that's another reason I'm doing it right now. Document my whole progress. I ain't gonna put too much information because I don't know, maybe I might. But yeah, that's my hood right now. This my little hood. Nothing crazy. It's quiet out here. Somebody put me in. This ain't about to be my hood no more. As soon as I get monetized, as soon as I get my 4,000 watch hours and get monetized, reach my subscribers, something happening. Something always happening over and over. Like, it never fails. It's like you got a car and you paid your car off after 4 or 5 years. As soon as you pay your car off, a week later, you gotta get a new engine. Like, that's how life be, bro. Like, not even with cars, with people. Like, you pay all that money to pay that car off, and now the car engine don't work right after you paid it off. We battling between good and evil, bro. Like, so y'all better pay attention, man. Like, pay attention to them evil people that make you feel weird. Like, pay attention to them people that's negative. And then pay attention to the people that's positive, speaking wisdom. Pay attention to the people that encourage you and speak nothing but goodness. That's what you gotta watch out for. But I'm about to go in here and put this pin number in to verify everything. And if y'all ain't watched my last video or my video on how much I made, I gave y'all the whole game on how to get y'all watch hours. I gave y'all the scoop on which videos to react to that will get y'all 4,000 watch hours quick. I gave y'all the way to get subscribers quick. I gave y'all the scoop on all that. Y'all gotta watch it. I told how y'all can make y'all watch hours. I told y'all how y'all can get y'all watch hours quick. What videos to react to. What people to react to. And y'all get y'all watch hours. So it's easy. It's easy. Just do what I say. I'm telling you. But I'm about to get on up out of it. I'm about to go up in this house. Probably make a video. something. I don't know. I ain't uploaded in 2 days, and I feel out of place for not uploading in 2 days. And I'm my paper away. So I'll get at you on the next one, man.